What's up, you guys? This hair is from Virgo Hair Company. I will have their information in the description box down below. This is their straight texture hair. I forgot the origin of it, to be honest, but it will be in the description box. And the hair is 30 inches and it's 4 bundles. So I'm going to be using that to install today. This is basically my first impression of the hair. So I will, if you guys want an update on the hair, just let me know in the comment section below. But from my first impression, I can tell that the hair is really, the bundles are really full to be so long. And the density of the hair is great, which I basically just said that. The quality of the hair overall seems to be really good. As I said, I will update you guys in about a month or so. So just be on the lookout for that. Just come back to the comment section of this video. Again, the hair is Virgo hair and it's 4 bundles. So stay tuned. Check out the near bald spot prank that I just did on my husband on our couple channel. The link will be in the description box down below. So check that out, you guys. What's up, guys? Okay, so I wanted to mention that I'll be doing this new thing called Music Mondays, where I'll be singing a song, basically lip syncing. Well, I'm actually singing in a video, but I'm gonna mute the clip and you guys have to guess the song, and whoever is the first to comment the correct song will win like different things every week, like it'll either be like 3 bundles, or it'll be like some makeup or some hair products. I don't know, I'm just gonna do different stuff every time that I do it. So make sure you guys tune in and play the game. You know, it's just a new thing I want to do to give back to you guys. Really, it's nothing major that you guys have to do to get something out of it. So I just want you guys to get something back for all that you guys have given me so far, just to show my appreciation. So just tune in and play the game and you could win. So all you have to do is just pay attention to my lips and guess the song that I'm singing in the video. You won't be able to hear me singing, but you can see me moving my lips around and dancing a little bit. So that's all I wanted to say, you guys.